Hey, what's up, everybody? So this week, with everything going on, with talk about the coronavirus and isolation, having to do social distancing, we're all in quarantine, it will be perfect for me to show you a mini tutorial on how to make
hand sanitizer.
You can easily just buy some hand sanitizer from the store. If people did not buy up all the hand sanitizer from the store, toilet paper, it was all gone. Barely got eggs, like barely got it. There was no paper towels, bread gone. It's just empty, so I know that if you have tried to look for hand sanitizer, it's probably not there. If you happen to instead have rubbing alcohol, and if you pick up some aloe, you can make your own hand sanitizer. I'm taking precaution, but I'm not afraid that anything bad is gonna happen to myself or to my family. Please wash your hands and cover your mouth. Or I chew in that's the green zone. Inside, right there, is the green zone. You need to be coughing and sneezing there. So, yeah, let me show you, because I have already filmed myself making this. So what I'm gonna do is just show you my clips of me making it on TikTok, and I will just narrate any details that I was missing from that video. So let's get started.
Another aloe hack just in time for Corona season. Ugh. If everybody bought up all the hand sanitizer in your city, you can make your own. So get a small container like this.
You can just reuse an old hand sanitizer container.
And get some rubbing alcohol.
90% is recommended, but 70 will do.
Grab a 1/2 tablespoon measuring cup and 1 tablespoon measuring cup. Slice up that aloe and scrape the gel into the 1/2 tablespoon cup. Pour that gunk into a bowl and then measure out 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. Mix everything together and then pour everything into your hand sanitizer container. Then snap that lid on and squirt and rub your hands together.
And if you have any further questions for me about today's video on the aloe hand sanitizer, or if you want to request a video, I will make sure to answer you if you comment in my comments. So thank you guys for watching today. Be safe. Wash your hands. Be kind to one another. I love you guys. All right, have a great day. Bye.
I ain't gotta play the field. Jesus Christ made the field. If I'm broke, I don't worry when it's time to pay the bills. He's holy, so I speak boldly. Spirit in the truth, try to tell me not to pray to him. No matter what you say to me, Jesus Christ paid to be the lover of my soul. No words to thank him from A to Z.